Yo, what's up fam? Today, we're diving into the Xiaomi XRING O1, aka the powerhouse behind the Xiaomi 15S Pro. This phone isn't about flashy cameras or crazy screens. Nah, it's all about that in-house muscle, Xiaomi's own self-developed chip, the XRING O1. Now, how does it stack against the big dogs like Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite in the 15 Pro? Spoiler alert, the XRING CPU is slightly better, GPU just a bit behind, but overall, this chip means business. Thanks to TSMC's N3E process, it's compact but mighty, packing 10 cores, hitting up to 3.9 GHz, and rocking a 16-core ARM GPU that's beast mode compared to some rivals. Gaming tests? The 15S Pro stays cool and smooth, like throttling only after a few minutes but still holding steady at 40 FPS in heavy hitters like Honkai Star Rail. Plus, it's more power efficient than the 15 Pro with the Snapdragon chip, at least when you're on Wi-Fi. But here's the catch: no integrated 5G modem. That means when you're gaming or scrolling on 5G, battery drains faster than your patience at a bad Wi-Fi spot. So, if you live that Wi-Fi life mostly, this phone's battery is pretty solid. Otherwise, expect some sacrifice. Camera-wise, it's a mixed bag. The 5x telephoto is a glow-up, especially in low light, but the ultra-wide and Leica color tones take a hit. The ISP still isn't Qualcomm level strong, so don't expect miracles yet. Oh, and AI? The 6-core MPU is powerful on paper, but Xiaomi hasn't unleashed its full magic. HyperAI still needs internet to flex, and app support is slim. Bottom line, the XRING O1 chip is a bold flex from Xiaomi, showing they can hang with the best chip makers worldwide. Just gotta polish some rough edges, like 5G battery life and camera processing. If you're a Xiaomi fan or collector, this phone's a sick piece of tech history. Hit the link below if you want to snag one. Alright, this was Will from Fungus China. Keep it real and catch you next time. Peace.